has carried the weight, the movement, the effort. Now it's time to let go. This is your space to melt, to unwind, and to recover. Find your mat, lower down gently, and let the floor catch you. You don't have to hold anything right now. Let the tension start to fall away like leaves from a tree in autumn. Knees wide, forehead resting on the mat, arms stretched forward. Breathe into your back today. Feel the spine lengthen with every exhale. As if your breath is whispering, I'm safe now, I can rest. Stay here for a few gentle breaths. There's no rush, only the slow returning to yourself. Rise slowly into tabletop. We will begin with gentle cat-cow, hacking and rounding. Let each movement feel like a soft wave. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, curve the back. Massage the spine from within, soothing every sore thread of muscle. From here, tuck your toes and rise into downward dog, but soften it. Keep a gentle bend in the knees. Pedal the heels. Feel your calves and hamstrings gently awaken. You are not forcing, you are inviting. Now melt the knees down into puppy pose, hips high, arms stretched forward, forehead or chin resting on the mat. Let your chest sink toward the head, opening the shoulders and the heart space. Slide forward into a gentle cobra pose. Elbows bent, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Feel the front of your body open. Lower down onto your back now and bring both knees to your chest. Give yourself a hug. Rock gently from side to side. Imagine your breath massaging the inside of your body, reaching those deep, tired places no hands could ever reach. Now, place your feet flat on the mat. Let your knees fall together, arms by your side. Nothing to do, nowhere to go.